Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I am going to show you how you can install Pycharm in your Windows operating system. Before dive into this session, let me say you this, that you have to ensure that you have already installed Python in your Windows operating system. Now, if you don't know how to do that, then don't worry, because I have already written an entire article on how to install Python in your Windows operating system on FreeCodeCamp, and I have showed all the processes step by step in that article. I'm going to pin that article in this video's description box. But if you also want me to make a new video on that, then do let me know in the comment section and I will make sure to make a video on that. All right. One more thing, let me also show you the article. Here's the article, how to install Python on Windows, and I have showed you all the processes step by step so that you won't miss a single thing. Alright, you know what? Let me also show you how to install Python in your Windows operating system so that you won't need to wait a little. Alright, so for installing Python, let me open a new tab and simply search for Python. That's it. And we need to go into the official website for Python, which is python.org. Simply go into the website and hover on the download section, and they will suggest you the latest version of Python they have available right now for your Windows operating system. For me, it is telling me that the latest version of Python is currently 3.10.4. This is the latest version as of today. So simply click on this and the download process will start. Now, after finishing the download, then simply you need to open the executable file. Let me minimize all the other tabs right now so that we can focus on this. All right. Now, I won't suggest to directly click on install now. I suggest to go for the customize installation, and I will keep all of them checked. Click next. I will like to install it for all users, and I would also want to add Python to environment variable so that I won't need to add that manually later all by myself. All right, now simply click install. But before clicking install, let me show you where it is currently installing. C program files and under Python 310 folder. All right, simply click install and the installation process will start. Now the setup has been successful. You can simply close the window, and now I need to download Pycharm. So that, simply open any web browser you want and simply search for Pycharm. Go to the official website of Pycharm and simply click to download. They will suggest you two versions of them. One of them is professional and the other one is the community edition. The professional edition is paid, but you will get a 30-day trial period available for free. And also, if you have educational mail, then you can subscribe for their premium plan for free using your educational package. So as for common people like me, we download the community edition, which is completely free and built on open source platform. All right, simply click download and the download process will start. All right, the download has been finished and we need to simply open the executable file, and then the installation wizard will simply open itself. Simply click next. I would suggest you to keep the default directory they're suggesting you. Simply click next and click create desktop shortcut if you want the desktop shortcut for yourself. As for me, I don't want the desktop shortcut because personally I don't like that, so I'm gonna simply keep that unchecked. Select add binary folder to the path, select add folder, select add open folder as project. If you want to get that in the context menu like this, open with code, you will get open with Pycharm community edition like this here. If you want that, you can check this and create association for .py so that it would open all of the Python file in it. Click next, click install and give it some time to install itself. After finishing the installation wizard, they will suggest you to reboot your PC. If you want to do that later, you can select I want to manually reboot later and finish it. But if you want to reboot now, you can select reboot now and finish it. After clicking on finish, selecting reboot now, your computer will restart. So before clicking on reboot now and finishing, make sure that you have set all other works you are working on in your PC. As for now, I want to select this and to manually reboot later because I want to do that later after finishing the recording of this video. Alright, now click finish. That's it. So welcome back. I have successfully rebooted my computer and returned again. So let me open the Pycharm Community Edition, which I have just installed. Alright, you have to accept their user agreement. Simply check this box and click continue. Now, as for the data sharing, if you want, you can send anonymous statistics, but if you don't want, you can click don't send and it would simply open for itself. Normally, I prefer customizing some of it, which is I like Wonder theme, so I'm gonna simply install that. It's completely optional. You don't need to do that if you don't want that. All right. I personally prefer this theme. So that's it. And I can simply click on new project and I can change the name. Now you have to change the base interpreter. Simply click here and select program files Python C10 python.exe because this is the Python C.10.4 which we just installed before installing Pycharm, of course, and I want to make it available to all projects. And I can create a alright, I want that. I want it to create a main.py welcome script for myself, and I can simply create. Alright, it would simply create the virtual environment and it would also update itself. And download pre-built shared index, yes, I want it to download always download. So that's it. Now if I simply run this script, you can see that it's running the script completely fine. Now if I want paint hello world, and if I simply run this script, printing hello world. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. If you are new to this channel, then please also subscribe to this channel. And if you want, you can follow me in GitHub, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I will provide all of the link in this video's description box. And if you are a Bangladeshi and want Bengali programming and technology related content, then I also have another channel for that. The channel's name is Innovation with Divim, but don't worry, I'll provide the channel's link in this video's description box as well. So thank you everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Tata.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch you